Avalanche is finally seeing a recovery along with the rest of the crypto market after last week's crash. In this video, I'm going to go over exactly what I'm looking at, especially where this pump is likely to end up. So stay tuned for that and let's get started. Before we get into it, there is a brand new crypto forecast video for our members right here. We just sold over $160,000 worth of crypto this morning. In this video, Travis is going to explain why and where the money went. Do not miss this video. It is crucial for our members. You can grab a membership at the links in the description down below. If you do not have one already, it'll be relevant to you too. With that, let's dive into the charts. Now, this pump was absolutely crazy. So for today, I'm just going to stick to the live charts. We're looking at Avalanche USD on the 1-day time frame, trading with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus wall money flow, and trend exhaustion indicators. Scrolling back here, first things first, I'm going to post some structure supports and resistances. These are going to be crucial for us to look at. Right here at $10.69 is really strong structure support for Avalanche. I do not expect the price to drop any farther than this, especially after this pump. If we continue moving up, we'll actually have a brand new structure support. But before I get a little bit ahead of myself with that, I do want to show my structure resistance right about here, multiple touches back here, almost one right here at $12.58. Scrolling back in to see the current price, this honestly isn't that much room to move up. We're very close to that, and from there, if we break at that level, I'd then be looking at structure resistance at $13.69 for the next structure resistance. From the current price, this is looking at about a 3.93% move up, or as high as a 13% move up. However, a drop from the current price would also be about an 11.55% drop. Now, with that in mind, we have both of our structure resistance targets and a structure support target in case we drop. From here, we need to go into the indicators and figure out which direction we're actually expecting to go. As of right now, price versus wall money flow and trend exhaustion are both in the middle of their charts. Price versus wall money flow is it's kind of low. It's at about 38, a little bit less than 40 here. Most often we're looking around the 30 range before we're really seeing moves back up. We actually ended up getting that back here. Trend exhaustion was low too, and we got a strong sell signal. This is resulting in a move up as expected. This is very exciting. If we go to the very end of that signal and go to the top right here, we see a 2.29% potential profit if you entered at that point. And if we move up to the top of the structure support, the first one here, this would be a 7% profit. So congrats on anybody that took that trade. That's going to be profitable. So we have the indicator readings on the 1-day time frame. They're reading a little bit neutral, but if we go to the 4-hour, we are seeing that the price versus wall money flow was low. Trend exhaustion was low. Buy signal resulted in moves up, of course. From where we're standing now, we're seeing that the trend up is actually losing momentum. This actually is shown directly on the trend exhaustion, touching into its top red section, and at the same time, the price versus wall money flow is a little bit higher up on its chart, showing that whale money may begin actually moving out of the market. We still have yet to reach this structure resistance. I do think we will see a little bit of a move up there until, at least on the 1-day time frame, these indicators actually top out a little bit further. Once we reach this, we should see price versus wall money flow high, trend exhaustion high on both the 4-hour and 1-day time frame as we're seeing right now. And if we get a sell signal at this point, that's likely where we're going to see moves back down in the market. And at that point, we're just again looking at $10.69 as the move down. If we do manage to break above this, I think it's unlikely, but I'm always hopeful. Always a little bit bullish when I can be. I think $13.69 is going to be the move. That's getting ahead of ourselves though. Avalanche has already seen a massive 5% move up today, so I don't want to push it too much. I'm thankful for whatever we can get here, so just a move up to that structure resistance is going to be very exciting. Watching these indicators is going to be crucial. They called the bottom here with price versus wall money flow, trend exhaustion though, and a strong buy signal. They called the top with a massive top on the price versus wall money flow, trend exhaustion here, strong sell signal with that move down. These indicators are absolutely crushing it, and if you see those consistent signals line up, it is a almost sure sign you're going to get the move in the direction they're calling. With that, I highly recommend purchasing them for up to $400 off right now. You can grab them at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more. The membership link is right here if you want to get access to that future forecast. But for now, we're going to head to the second link, the indicators. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our store page. Click I want this, fill out your information, click pay, and it'll offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $349 instead of the regular $749. This is a $400 off discount offer. Go ahead and click add to cart. You'll get all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators for $400 off. Make sure your information is correct. Click pay and you are good to go. Once you have the indicators loaded up, again, I'm just looking for the move up to $12.58. As that happens, price versus wall money flow should be high. Trend exhaustion should be high when we get both of those, and ideally a sell signal. This is when we're looking for the next move back down to $10.69. We'll keep everyone updated. This is a very volatile situation. The crypto market has been making absolutely insane moves, and the only thing that's been guiding us through it is these indicators. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.